Want to learn how to share case studies and testimonials through email in a way that's impactful and easy? You're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. If you stick around to the end, I'll give you a special bonus you can use to streamline the process and boost your email marketing today. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is clearly identify the case study or testimonial you're going to use. Whether it's a detailed success story or a brief testimonial, you need to ensure it's relevant to your audience. Personalize it if you can, so that it directly speaks to the problems your readers face. The more relatable, the better. Next, keep the message simple. People are busy, so no one wants to read a novel. Start with a strong, concise introduction that immediately highlights the value of the case study or testimonial. Let your reader know what they're about to read will benefit them. A quick preview like, "Here's how one of our clients achieved XYZ with our product," or "Discover how Name transformed their business using our solution," works great. Now it's all about placement. When you're including a case study or testimonial in an email, avoid overwhelming your readers with a giant block of text. Break it up into digestible chunks. Use bullet points or bold key phrases to emphasize the results. Focus on the before and after story, and make sure the after is framed as a desirable outcome for your audience. To make your email even more compelling, include visuals where possible. A short video, a picture of the client, or a snapshot of the results can bring the testimonial or case study to life. People connect with visuals far more than text alone. Just make sure the images are optimized for email so they don't slow down the load time. A great tip here is to end with a clear call to action, CTA. Encourage your readers to take the next step, whether it's booking a demo, signing up for a free trial, or downloading additional resources. This is where you can invite them to learn more by checking out how they can achieve similar results. Now, let me tell you about the software we'll be using in this tutorial to send out these emails more efficiently. It's one of the best options out there, and I've tested several tools to find it. If you want to follow along and streamline your process, I've included an exclusive free trial in the description below just for viewers of my channel. By now, you should be ready to start sharing case studies and testimonials through email like a pro. Remember, keep your message clear, simple, and visual. Always end with a strong CTA, and use the software I mentioned to make it all easier. The key takeaway here is that sharing case studies and testimonials isn't just about telling your story, it's about making your audience feel the success and connecting it to their own needs. Don't forget to take advantage of the free trial in the description below and check out the software we use today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.